Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, September the 17th, 2020. We have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku. And this one will be number 154.8. Yes, 48. Before I start, I always count the printed numbers, so you have an indication of the difficulty level. We have here 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 5 is 10, 11, 14, plus 4 is 18, plus 5 is 23, plus 4 is 27, 28. Wow, easier than the one-star Sudoku, because the one-star Sudoku has 27. Let me check this, if this is correct. 1, 5, 10, 14, 17, 18, 20, 23, plus 5, 28. Yes. So it's easier than the one-star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. In this column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these two boxes. So the 5 could be here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 5. Let me see which digit can I use? Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 1. We have the 7 and the 1 in this column, so no 7 and the 1 in these two boxes. The 7 and the 1 goes in those two boxes. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 2 are missing. Let me mark them for you. It's up here. Then 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so in the middle row, the only two places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then yeah. How about the number 1 in this row, 1 in the second row, so in the first row, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only two places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column, so in the first column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 3 places for the 1 here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, here 1, no 1 there, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 1, yes. And now. How about the number? 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, only place for the 8 should be there. In this second column, wait. Need to wait. Yeah. 50. Two missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. The 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So the last row, only place for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to mark them for you so you can follow it easier. The other 2 numbers in this row are for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. These 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, I cannot continue with the 4. 4, 2, 6, yes. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 2, the 4, and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. So the 2 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 5. 4 in this column. 4 in the third column, so the column between the second, 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 2. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then. How about and these 2 numbers in this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be there, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 7. 2 numbers left in this second row for the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. The other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this first column for the number 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can not see. Yes, one of these two must be a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. The last 7. 7, digit number 3. 2 boxes left in this column, third column. The 2 and the 6 are missing. Let me mark them for you. 2 and the 6. These two also, 2 and the 6. We have a pair. These also 2 and the 6. So these two are pairs. So the other two numbers should be the 9 and the 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. 3 and 8, let me mark them for you. It's a pair. One number left in this column for the number 2. 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. The 2 and the 6 as a pair. You know, 2 and a 6. These two should be the 8 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. We have an 8 now, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be an 8. This should be a 3. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 6, and this should be a 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2. This should be a 6. We have a 6 now, so this cannot be a 6. So this should be a 2. We have a 2 now, so this cannot be a 2. This should be a 6. We have a 6 now, so this can be a 6. This should be a 2, and this should be a 6. Final two numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Yes. Alright. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Bye-bye.